Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making all of these new Walmart treats, starting out with the Epic cookie bars back here, and then I'm going to be going to the Funfetti cake donut things, whatever you want to call it, and then ending with the Lucky Charms pancakes. I'm interested to see how they taste. So the first thing I'm going to make is these Epic cookie dough cookie bars. I've made something similar to this before, but I have not tried this one yet, but it does look really good, so I'm interested to see how it goes. The directions look pretty simple, just a couple steps of prepping, then you just layer it all out, and then we bake it in our oven at like 350 or something like that. It does have a lot of butter needed. I was so surprised. If I add a lot of butter, does that make it keto? Probably not. But anyway, you do need eggs and butter, but that's it. Everything else comes with the kit. We did get this pretty big bag of the cookie dough frosting. I was surprised how much it actually came with. We have the sugar cookie birthday cake mix, whatever you want to call it, for the bottom layer, and then we have the brownie layer. Again, both of these are actually pretty big packages that I was surprised about. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix together the sugar cookie mix and then add the butter and the eggs and then stir it all together. Once it's done, I'm just going to layer it in my pan.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I did decide to go in and use like a frosting knife just to get it a nice smooth layer, and so it would be more or less even along the bottom of the pan. I just sprayed it and then started like squishing it out and spreading it. I did want to see the really smooth, even layers whenever I cut into this, so I just thought it would be a good idea to use the frosting knife, and I did spray it before I patted it down just so they didn't stick. I'm going to use the exact same bowl for the brownie mix just because it's all going in the same place and it's one less dish that I have to clean later. So, yep, I'm just going to do the exact same thing. Pour the brownie mix in, mix it with the egg and the butter. Question for you. When you're making something, do you cut the top of the package all the way across, or do you just cut like halfway and then pour it? I always do like halfway and then pour it. I don't know why. It's just something that I've always done. I don't know if that's like what everybody does or if that's just me, but it'd be a lot easier to cut it all the way through. So after that's mixed together, I'm just going to do the exact same thing and just start to spread it out. And apparently this smelled so good my camera wanted to try some because it just dove right in. So that was nice, made my camera nice and greasy for me, but you know, that's how it is. So yep, just gonna keep spreading this out. Again, make a nice even layer. I sprayed my little icing knife before I spread it out. And then I'm just going to bake it according to package directions. Once it comes out of the oven, I'm going to put on the frosting, and then just spread it out, and make sure you pay close attention because you are gonna love how the icing comes out of the bag. It's very appetizing. Here they are, freshly frosted. They're a bit messier than I would have liked to see, but that's okay. I did take a couple bites. I'm trying to stay keto, but I wanted to be able to tell you how they are. They are really good, and everyone in my family that tried them really liked them too. I would definitely say I'd make these again just because of how easy they are to make and because they tasted really good for being a box mix. Next, I'm going to be making these Funfetti chocolate cake donuts. I have high expectations for these just because of how good they look on the box. They look pretty simple, and all you need is a third a cup of milk, half a cup of water, 2 eggs, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk for the glaze. You can either make these in the oven, deep fried, or in the air fryer. I'm just going to make mine in the oven today. So this is what comes in the box, not very much, just the donut mix, and then a little package of powdered glaze. Super simple, seems easy enough to me. So I'm just going to mix all the wet ingredients together as what the box says, and then put the donut mix in. I personally think you can do it either way and it'll be just fine, but I'm going to just follow the instructions and put all the wet ingredients in, mix them together, and then put the mix in. So it does say that you need a donut pan, otherwise you can use a mini cupcake tin to make the donut holes. So that's what I did. I used the mini cupcake tin, and then I just lined it with some tin foil in little muffin cups because I didn't have any mini muffin tins. So otherwise, if you want a little hack to make donuts, you could use a regular sized cupcake tin and then use like an icing tip and poke a little hole in there. I think that would work perfectly well. So I'm just making some big cupcakes and then some little cupcakes.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
So for the glaze, I'm just going to use a small bowl, dump everything, all of the little bits of powdered glaze in here, and I'm going to start out by using just 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm using cream because I didn't have any milk, so I'm using like a tablespoon of cream and a tablespoon of water just to see if I need to add any more. I don't want it to be too thin, and I also don't want to be too thick, so I'm just going to mix it all together. It did, after 2 tablespoons, it just kind of formed into a little ball. So I went ahead and added the 3rd tablespoon in there. And personally, I think it still could have been thinner. It did not cover all of them very, much. I covered the top of it. That's what I mostly wanted on there. But in order to roll them, I would say it needs to be even thinner and add maybe 4 tablespoons of milk. But I don't know, some people might like thick glaze, but I'm also not Krispy Kreme, so I can't tell you how thin glaze needs to be. But as you can see, I'm just like dipping the top in there and then rolling it up. This was quite a messy process, but it's perfectly fine. And they don't look the prettiest, but I'm also not a professional. Like I said, not Dunkin' Donuts, not Krispy Kreme, probably never will work there. So this is what I did. As you can see, the glaze is pretty thick. It could definitely be a lot thinner, is what I'm saying, so I think it needs to be watered down even more than that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip all of these. It made a lot. The cupcakes did kind of start to fall apart in the glaze. You'll see me struggle quite a few times to get that cupcake back out of the glaze, but it's whatever. Here's the big reveal. No differences whatsoever. They look like pieces of artwork. But okay, these were actually really good. They honestly just tasted like chocolate cupcakes with glaze on it, but the glaze was really good. I'd definitely make them again. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, next we're going to be making the Lucky Charms pancakes. These are so interesting. I can't even begin to tell you what I think of them, but let's go ahead and make them. So the directions, super easy. That you just making pancakes. You only add water or milk. I'm adding water. And that's it. You just make them like pancakes. So we're just going to mix the pancake mix in with the water. And this is what came in the box. The pancake mix, it looks like it has sprinkles in it. It looks like Funfetti. And then a bag of cereal. I'm not joking. This is literally just a bag of Lucky Charms. So I'm going to add in the pancake mix and then add in the water, mix it all together, and then make it like pancakes. And that's all.
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
As you can see, it did actually make quite a few pancakes. Again, they still look like plain pancakes. You don't put the cereal in them, you just top it with the cereal. So this is what they look like, all plated up, all beautiful. So yeah, you just put some cereal on top of pancakes. It was marshmallows inside the pancakes, but they just tasted like pancakes to me. My mom liked them, my dad liked them, he said they were fine, so they were okay. They're good enough, I wouldn't make them again. But they were easy, that's good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and stick around for more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.